Hello student, myself Ms. R. Kuldeep, Assistant Professor Botany, Government Bhanu Pratap Dev PG College, Kankir, Chhattisgarh. Today we study the defense mechanism in plants against pathogen. In this topic, we have discussed structure and biochemical defense mechanism in plant. At first we see the introduction. In plant represent a rich source of nutrient for many organisms which are including bacteria, virus, fungi, nematode, etc. Plants are lacking of immune system comparatively to animals. Plant have developed a standing array of structural, chemical and protein based defense designed to detect invading against the stop them before they are able to cause extensive damage. Each plant species affected by approximately to different kind of bacteria, fungi, virus, nematodes, etc. At first, we see the defense mechanism in plant. In plant, there are two type of defense mechanism. First, structural defense, and then second, biochemical defense mechanism. Structural defense mechanism in plant, the some structure is already present to define the attack, while in other structure to defend the host develop after the infection. The structural defense mechanism, it can be characterized in two parts: the pre-existing defense mechanism and post-existing defense mechanism. Pre-existing defense mechanism, we see first structural defense. The surface of the host is initial line of the defense against the pathogens. In surface barrier, we see the presence of wax layer, hair, thickness of cuticle and epidermal cell wall, etc. And then size of stomata, location and shape of stomata. The presence of wax in cuticle. Cuticle is a mixture of long chain of aliphatic compound, and deposition of wax play an important defensive role in surface, in which they forming hydrophobic compound. So as a result, the pathogen does not get sufficient water to germinating and reduce the infection. And next is the thickness of cuticle, the most of important for those which try to enter the host through the leaf. The cuticle thickness obstructs the path of pathogen, and the stomata shape, size and location also decide the fate of the entry of pathogen. In the same way, the size and internal structure of stomata play a defensive role against the pathogen. After pre-existing, we see the post-infection defense or after infection structure defense. After infection of pathogen, the pathogen has successfully managed to overcome the pre-existing defense mechanism of the host. It invades the cell and tissue of the host. After infection, the host plant develops structure which may be defense reaction in cytoplasm, cell wall defense mechanism structure, etc. And here at first we see histological defense. In this, formation of cork layer, abscission layer formation, formation of dialysis and corky layer, and then cellular defense, the formation of hyphal sheeting, then hypersensitive response, and cytoplasmic defense, So formation of abscission layer are usually formed to separate the ripe fruits and old leaves from plant. Abscission layer formed a gap between two circular layer of cell surrounding the point of infection. Abscission layer protect the healthy leaf tissue from attack of pathogens. Cork layer, after infection of bacteria, virus, they stimulate host formation of multilayer cork formation, and the multilayer cork they check infection from pathogen. Then Tylosis is a outgrowth of protoplasm. Their development block the xylem vessel. However, the Tylosis form some resistant plant a head of infection and prevent the plant from attack. Here in the picture we see the formation of sheath around developing hyphae. The hyphal tip of a fungus penetrate the cell wall and after growing into cell lumen get enveloped by callous material and later become forming a sheath around the hyphae. And this formation of Tylosis, this healthy vessel, and after the formation of Tylosis and this disease vessels. Next, biochemical defense mechanism. Although the structural defense mechanism to prevent the attack of pathogens, the defense mechanism also including chemical substance which produce the plant cell before and after. It is established that the biochemical defense mechanism play most important role for the other structure defense. The biochemical defense mechanism divided two parts: pre-existing biochemical defense and post-infection biochemical defense. The pre-existing biochemical defense inhibitor released in the pre-penetrate stage. Inhibitor released by plants. Plants secrete variety of substance through the surface of above part. Inhibitory substance that directly affected to pathogen to dominate in the environment which may act as a antagonistic to pathogen. The post-infection biochemical defense. After infection caused by pathogen, the plant cell and tissue produce many chemicals which inhibit the growth of causal organism. Some chemicals are described below. In order to fight infection caused by the pathogen, the plant cell and tissue synthesize many chemicals compound. The chemical compounds are described here. Phyloalexin. Phyloalexin are toxic antimicrobial substance. This term was first used by Muller and Brugger 1940 for fungi statics compound produced by plant in response to mechanical or chemical injury or infection. It is produced in appreciable amount by plants. Phyloalexin are considered to stop the growth of pathogen by altering the plasma membrane and inhibiting the oxidative phosphorylation. All phyloalexin are lipophotic compound and were first detected after study of late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. And then next compound, phenolic compound, is a tannin and some fatty acid like dennin, which are present in cell of young fruits, leaves and seed. All the compounds are inhibitor for enzymes. Hypersensitive response. The hypersensitive response is a localized death of host cell at attack the site of infection. It is the specific recognition of pathogen attacked by the host. It is occur only in compatible host pathogen combination. Thank you.